Let us make a little comparison between Ebubeagu and Amotekun. What is Ebubeagu and what is Amotekun? I want everyone under the sound of my voice to listen very carefully and understand where I am going to. Ebubeagu is a security apparatus that was formed in the southeastern part of Nigeria called Biafra. They are the people of Biafra. Now, Amotekun is the security apparatus that was formed in the west, that is in Yoruba land, that is Oduduwa land. These are the people taking, they are like this, the community police. Arewa is still, they still have their own there in the northern part of Nigeria. Now, from the inception of Ebubeagu and the Amotekun, there are two different stories about two of them. Now, Ebubeagu in the southeast is giving allegation, not only allegation, is giving allegation that they are behind the numerous killings, kidnapping of people in the southeast. They are giving allegation that they are the people that is constituting to the killings, the wanton killings that is in the southeast, where they say there is unrest. There is no unrest in the southeast. It is bad government. They are giving allegation that they are. Let me tell you, there is what we believe as people. Anywhere you see children crying and pointing hand, look at that place. If their mother is not there, their father, it is there. In every allegation, there is an atom of truth that can never be erased, that can never be denied. When they tell you Ebubeagu are behind the killings in the Imo state, in Enugu state, in Anambra state, and so many parts of the eastern states, there is an atom of truth. Now, that is why they say Igbo enweze, Igbo no more. That is, Igbo has no king. Igbo is doing themselves. Who are the people called Ebubeagu? They are Igbo people. They are the eastern people that are called Biafra. People that are in the region called Biafra. They are the ones. They are the ones also that is being alleged to be behind the killings of their people. Who is killing who? Igbo is killing Igbo. Biafra is killing Biafra. Just a little thing, your brother will sell you out to the army, sell you out to the police, sell you out to the government of Nigeria. And they will come and apprehend, they will use you to apprehend your brother and destroy your brother, and you are happy. Let's go to Amotekun. Amotekun is in the southwest, the Yoruba land. We have never heard that Amotekun is behind the killings of Yoruba people. We don't. Rather, Amotekun that I know is a very reputable organization, very peaceful, very law-abiding people. They don't tolerate rubbish. If you steal, they are going to catch you and do justice to you as the law demands. We have never heard that Amotekun went and killed an innocent person, but we have heard that Ebubeagu went to a place and killed people, burn houses. Go to the internet, search Ebubeagu, you will be seeing them every day. That is why it looks as if that the eastern part of Nigeria, which is called the Biafran people, the southeast, is in turmoil. This is the contribution where many youths have died because of this problem, where many youths have been ejected and forced out of their city. What is happening? I am saying this for everyone to understand the type of security that is in the southeast part of Nigeria, Biafra. Let the whole world know that Biafra do not have insurgency. It is an artificial insurgency that was created by the apparatus of the government. Ebubeagu is destroying the east, while Amotekun is protecting their people. What a mess in the eastern part of Nigeria. Igbo killing Igbo. Igbo selling Igbos to outside. Igbos is no time for you to listen. The army, the Liberation Army of Biafra is fighting for the liberation and for the jettison of the Fulani herdsmen who is kidnapping, destroying farms, killing our fathers, raping our girls. But what is there? You are the one destroying that effort. Go and make inquiry. Don't listen for my voice only. Go to the Google or go to the YouTube, type Ebubeagu atrocity in Southeast, in Igbo land. You are going to see many pictures, you know. Let me tell you, why you will not see the ones that will make you cry is because of the community guideline of the YouTube, the Facebook, the Instagram, and so on. If not, you will see the atrocities alleged to Ebubeagu, and they are still holding them, working hand in hand with the Nigerian army, with the Nigerian police, causing mayhem in the eastern part of Nigeria. Nobody will talk. But I thank God that everybody has stood on his feet to know what is right, to say what is right. How long will this wanton destruction of life, unlifing people will end in the Southeast? Southeast is not a war zone. A little thing, they will send army to and start shooting bombs, start throwing bombs, start throwing karashins, start using many ammunition that can destroy a city. Many places have been erased out. No young man there. Many old women that has no children now are suffering. Their children that we help them, that we support them, have run away. And these young people are the people that is making wave in the city, doing better businesses. Now the business have crumbled. If you go to any new place, you become a new person. For them now, they are just dangling in with their life. No money, nothing. Follow this channel and follow for more.